Hi guys, I'm going to teach you today how to find the orange slime. First you go to hometown, and then you go to the stand right next to spawn, which is right there. And after that, you say you want to buy orange, right? So just buy one. It's very easy. After that, the orange slime appears. All you gotta do is just grab it. See? That's it. Now you got an orange slime. Thank you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe. Thank you.